Alessandro, would you tell us what you do and what your role is and why you attend the conference?
Yeah, I'm a wine expert, so I come here every year. This year, for the first time in Washington, to have an idea of what is going on in the wine, but also in the food business. More than me, of course, the Italian Trade Commission is in charge. So to me, the first step is to visit the Italian Trade Commission, because through the Italian Pavilion, you have the real idea of what Italy is doing for promote their wine and food abroad. And then I cover also the event for the Italian media.
Well, I do want to add, food and wine go together.
Yeah, absolutely.
Without one, there's not the other. Very important.
And that's exactly what's proven by such a large pavilion at the Fancy Food Show.
Yeah. But not only that the Italian pavilion is large, but the quality and the diversity. Because one Italian region, one typical large region, has more than most countries have in terms of culture, diversity, history, and there are 20 Italian regions. So I could come here and say, this year I'm doing 3 regions I didn't do last year, in detail. Because I always have to be up to date on what Italy is producing, because there's always something classic, but there's always something new from Italy.
And very specific detail, like kosher products from Italy. And I think you'll be speaking about that tomorrow.
If my rabbi lets me, I certainly.
Well, thank you all for speaking with us. We'll post this on the blog sometime soon.
Thank you.